Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to log out of your Apple Music on your iPhone. So if you have a subscription for Apple Music but you want to log out of it, so this video is for you. So let's get started. So you click on your settings, then click on your Apple ID at the top of the screen like this. Then you go to your media and purchases. Then you can sign out here, and this is a quick and easy method on how to log out of your Apple Music on iPhone. If you sign out from here, then it will log out by itself. So if you don't believe me, then you can go to view account, and this will load you in another page like this. So if you have a subscription to a Apple Music, then it will come here in this page. Since I don't have a subscription, then it will not show for me, but it will show for you if you have Apple Music. So you can just sign out from here, and this is a quick and easy way on how to log out of your Apple Music on your iPhone. If you like this video, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then leave it on the drop box below. I'll be sure to answer it. And it's me, Elise, signing out. Thank you for watching.